What's up YouTube? It's Ben, and in this video, I want to tell you about some major changes. Okay, so let's start right here. My name is Ben Nader. If you don't follow my channel regularly, I left corporate America about 6 years ago to go all in on entrepreneurship. I was totally sick of being in a cubicle. I was completely tired of having a capped income, and I was just completely done with that world. So I did what 99% of people don't do, which is start. Now, what I mean by that is when I was at my 9-to-5 corporate job, I actually started my recruiting and staffing agency way back then, scaled it up quickly, left corporate America, and then scaled it even larger, and the rest is history. But within that same time frame, there is a lot of things that happened, and currently a lot of things that I do in business that I want to tell you guys all about that you probably have no clue on right now. So the reason for this video is that I'm telling you right now, I'm going to start talking about a lot of different things that I haven't discussed on this channel previously. This means that I'm going to start to create content around entrepreneurship on a much bigger scale. Now, I think a lot of you guys know me as Ben Nader, the recruiter guy, but there are so many other things in business, in my empire that I do, that I'm building upon, that I absolutely want to share with you because I know that they will benefit you. So that means if you're checking out my channel for the first time ever, you definitely want to hit subscribe and that bell alert button because I'm about to go ham on content. More specifically, this means that I'm going to start making content around investing, real estate, taxes, finances, software development, all sorts of other entrepreneurial ventures that I'm involved in that I think I definitely will bring some value to you when I make content and videos around that stuff. So generally, we're gonna go broader on content in all of those different areas. In summary, I'm gonna be creating content all around how to actually create your big vision and how to actually achieve your highest goals. Please also understand that I'm absolutely going to continue to produce content around recruiting because that is a massive part of my own business empire. So the goal here is to help you create a massive vision and a massive empire, not just around recruiting, but around the wealth that you create overall. After doing 600 videos specifically on recruiting, I want to go deeper. I want to bring more value to you. It's time for me to grow in the content that I create for you. And it's also time for you to grow in your business. So let's do it together. I'm personally super excited about this pivot of making a wider variety of content for you so that you can create a bigger vision for yourself and reach those highest goals and create your empire. All right, so with all that said, be sure that you are subscribed, hit that bell notification alert so that you know every single time I drop a brand new video, and I will see you guys next time.